Hey guys, so in this video today I just kind of wanted to pose a question in the title talking about whether you would want an Ascension funnel or a high ticket funnel. Because if you look at, according to the people that you see out there, you got Russell Brunson is definitely the #1 person who talks about Ascension funnels, right? You have people get exposed to your message, you put out hooks, and they come over and check out your funnel, and then you've got your low priced like tripwire offer, right? So they get in, they buy your product for, let's say $7, and then they start getting exposed to you and your messages, and they go and buy your next product, which is, you know, like a higher level product, and then they sign up for your next product, which is even higher level, and that's how you make money through the Ascension model, right? I've used that. That's what I was exposed to and what I learned right off the bat. But an alternate model that I'm seeing out there that's kind of interesting comes from Joel Irway, where he talks about flipping the Ascension model on its head, because he talks about people cannibalizing their offer. And I know I'm guilty of this. When I created a product before, I did this exact thing. I was creating a product, and it was going to be a course, and there was going to be, you know, it was going to be a kind of a mid-price product, but it was going to be video courses. So I'm thinking, okay, so now I've got the core offer of it. Now I want to add bonuses to it. So I had some idea for bonuses, added bonuses. And then the next thing that I'm thinking is, okay, here's an even better bonus. They can get access to me, right? If you buy this product, I'll spend some time with you. I'll review your product, I'll whatever, right? So Joel explained how that was cannibalizing my offer. Because what you want to do is you want to flip the Ascension model on its head and start off with the highest priced offer, which is, you know, like, I'll do this for you. If you want, I will go and, you know, build your sales funnel for you, right? The next step down from that is I will show you, you know, it's a done with you. I will take you through it and show you how to build your sales funnel, right? And the next step below that is the do-it-yourself, right? You can get access to the video recordings of me teaching these other people how to do it, and you can get access to that, right? So starting with the highest value and essentially descending people, right? So the people who see how much it is for the done for you, the price point for that, and they go, oh, that's too much for me. When they see the downsell of the done with you, and they go, okay, that doesn't look like as much by comparison, so I can get in there. And it's still, you know, a much higher price point than starting with the Ascension model. And then you have the people who look at the done with you and think, oh, I could just do it. I'd rather do it myself. Is there a way to do it myself and save some money? And you can. And that's still, that price point is still higher than where you would have been at with a tripwire funnel. So it's pretty interesting. Some pretty awesome stuff. So let me know what you think about that as far as which model you think works best, an Ascension model or the Joel Irway high ticket model. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Because it's pretty awesome, and his stuff about the power offer as well, really awesome stuff. So check it out, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.